Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So this video is super exciting. It's on a few new products that I tried out, and I also have some new hair. Just have a lot of things to show you, so keep on watching. So this is my new hair. This hair is from Sam's Beauty. This is 40-inch synthetic hair that has a yucky texture. I do have some leave out here because this hair does not come with the closure, but this is the first time I've had a leave out in a long time, and now I remember why I love leave out so much, because it just looks so awesome, but it's just not good for a protective style because you do have to apply heat to your hair to get it, you know, straight enough to blend with the hair. But if you have a good flat iron, then you know, a little bit of heat will not damage your hair. My hair is natural and my hair is very healthy. It's not damaged. My hair grows really well and it does just fine. So the flat iron that I use today is my HERSTYLER flat iron. It's their rose gold platinum turbo styler in 1.25 inches. It's their flat iron and it is rose gold. You can see the plates are colored rose gold. This one goes from 180 degrees all the way up to 450, and it does just have an on and off switch, and it has a little dial on the inside. It has a nice long cord to it, which I really like, and it also came with a nice oil. This is the HERSTYLER Marula oil, and this is really good to put on your hair too. It has a great smell and the packaging is so beautiful. Let me show you the container that the flat iron came in. This is, whoops. This is the container that the flat iron came in. It has a lot of great instructions on it. It has a 1-year warranty, which is dope for a flat iron, especially if you use it all the time. This is what the packaging looks like on the inside, and you also have more instructions on how to use it on the inside of the flat iron, as well as on the inside of the packaging as well. So moving on to the hair. So I will show you an unboxing of the hair. I will also show you the way that I created this unit. This is,
you don't know, bad man. Yeah. This body baby, oh, this body baby, oh, yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the face, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel it, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in all the place, nah. Steady on time, girl, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. That me low. Tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around but I found nobody. Nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me, Baby make you follow me, I go give you all of me. Omoto Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna press the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I wanting her more. That me low. Tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. You don't know. Vicky bad man point the instrumental. Giving them one time. It's okay. Bad man go take you there. Pull up. Man finna gone away. It's alright, it's okay. Bad man finna take you there. Pull up.
and I did add combs to it, so this is not sewn into my head. I can literally take it off, put it back on very easily. The hair is super long, but I like the fact that it's a U-part wig, so I don't have to sleep in it. If I had done it as a quick weave, I would have been stuck like trying to sleep in it and figure out what to do. But this is dope that I can just put it on and take it off, because I feel like this hair, you know, 40-inch hair is just not realistic. It's not a practical style, so it's definitely something that you want to be able to just throw on for that special occasion, your birthday night, a night you just want to seriously stunt off on people and then, you know, put it right back into its package and wait for the next time you feel like slaying these girls in the streets, okay? I also want to show you guys a little bit about my makeup today. My makeup came out so bomb today, and I know it has to be because of these products. The products that I used today were brushes and sponges from SHAINA Miami and SHAINA B Miami, and this was my first time hearing about them. I never heard about their products before, but look at this packaging, you guys. It's so pretty. It actually ships in this box, so you literally get this box in the packaging when you get it in the mail. Open it up and it looks like a dope little present that like you got sent to yourself. It comes in this branded tissue paper. Like, they really thought of everything. The box is branded, the tissue paper is branded, even the sticker is branded, you guys. Like, I love when companies really do the most and like think about, you know, you want to feel like you giving yourself a gift. So they also sent me this adorable little note and information about the product. So I did receive 2 SHAINA B Miami sponges. One sponge is for baking and one sponge has a pointed tip, so you can see in the packaging the size of the sponge. You guys, when I wet these sponges, they literally like nearly tripled in size. They are absolutely huge when you wet them, but they're extremely soft, buoyant, bouncy. I just love the texture, the material. The fact that they get this ridiculously huge though is a little overwhelming. This is my Real Techniques sponge, so just look at them in comparison. They are absolutely ginormous. Now, this is dry, and this is about the size that these are when they're dry, but they swell up to this size. So the size was a little scary, but honestly, when I started working with them, I was able to work with them just as easily as my Real Techniques sponge. So I definitely do believe that these are going to be heavy in rotation, especially looking at how flawlessly my skin came out today, you guys. So those are the sponges. Let me tell you what I used it for. I used this one for baking. I used my Sacha Buttercup powder, and I used this for baking. And then this one I used to apply my concealer on the high points of my face. So I also used these 2 brushes, and these 2 brushes did come in these packaging. Awesome thing about the packaging is it tells you what to use it for. So the Kabuki Buffer brush is this one. And then the powder brush is this one. Look how beautiful these brushes are. So well made, great quality. You know how brushes a lot of times they will like loosen here and like the top will just pop off? I really feel like that's not gonna happen with these. These are really bomb. Another thing that I love is that they taper at the bottom. I always have the problem where I feel like I could fit more brushes into my brush holder cup, but because the bottom is so thick, like the bottom of the Real Technique brushes is so thick, you can't add that many in. So this, you can easily just keep adding them in because the bottom and the tip is so small. Not to mention that they work super bomb. So those are just some things that I wanted to show you. I hope you liked the hair tutorial. If you have questions about the hair, if you have questions about SHAINA B, if you have questions about the HERSTYLER, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. I will also be leaving links to where you can purchase all of these products in the information bar. And yeah, make sure you're following me on all my social media at JessTheDragoness, and I'll see you guys in the next one.